Best accounting software for your Shopify. Hey everyone and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I will discuss the best software for your accounting for Shopify. So I'm going to list four different softwares or applications out there that you can integrate with Shopify, and really, you're going to have many different features that you can use with them. Now, I'm going to, after I list them all for you and talk about them a little bit, at the end, I'm going to actually show you how to basically choose which one is going to be best for you. So let's just go ahead and get to it and start with the first one. So obviously you're going to have your Shopify store ready to go, and you basically wanted to add some accounting to that. So you're going to be using external applications and softwares. So the first one we are going to be starting with is going to be Xero.com, Xero with an X at the beginning, so Xero.com. So this is one of the more popular ones. Actually, all the different softwares that I'm about to show you are going to be popular ones out there, and for good reason, because they're actually very, very diverse when it comes to the different features that they provide you. So starting with Xero.com, it's going to really be a game changer for you, to be honest. It's going to work for both small businesses and also more established businesses out there. And really, if you want to see all the features, you can just go to Xero.com and you can, review more features here. You can see some of them: accept payments, online invoicing, bank connections, and by the way, you can feel free to integrate it with Shopify easily as well, much like the other ones. So all of them are going to have this option, obviously, because this whole video is for Shopify. Pay bills, reporting, quotes. There's plenty that you can actually do, capturing data, sales tax, plenty. So you have all of these different features with Xero, and these, are just, you can actually get in more detail when you actually click on them and read more about them. So there's plenty that Xero has to offer, yet even though it seems intimidating, it's actually very easy to use and very user friendly, so you can just get started with it easily. Now, another important thing that we need to consider when it comes to these softwares is the pricing points. So let's just go in and go to the Xero pricing plans that they have to offer. So they offer three different plans. They have the starter, standard, and also premium, and usually they do come with a discount. So for me right now, the starter is at $2.90 per month for, I believe, 6 months. But it's going to be, usually $29 per month, 46 for the other one, and 69 for the premium plan. Now here you can also feel free to, take your time and go to this page right here and compare them and see which one is actually going to suit you and your business best. But here's the kicker: it actually does offer you a free trial to test things out without even having to add a credit card. So you can actually get a feel of Xero and test things out before committing to any of the plans that are available. So you can just go to any plan, learn more about it, see which one is going to suit you best, and then just apply for the free trial, test things out, and just see how it actually goes for you. So this is for the Xero.com software. Again, this is one of the more popular ones, and it's a very nice choice to go with, even if you're, a small business. So next up, we have QuickBooks, which is also very popular. Again, it could actually be more popular than Xero, I believe. I'm not even sure, but I guess that you have seen this logo before somewhere. So this is actually QuickBooks, and it's also going to be for accounting. And when it comes to the features that it offers, it's pretty much, on par with Xero, and it's going to have all the different features that we just covered on Xero. And it's also going to be able to be integrated with Shopify easily, and it's going to help you out with your reports with Shopify. And again, we can just, scan the features real quick if you just click on that button there, and we can see some of the different features that they have to offer: invoicing, expenses, bank feeds, organizing data, capturing data, and also insights and reports. They have a mobile app and more things as well. So you can actually think of it as another Xero alternative, much like the different available applications that I'm about to showcase as well, because all of them are actually very, very powerful and very popular for a good reason. And again, QuickBooks is actually going to be very easy for beginners and small businesses, yet it's also going to provide very powerful features for larger, more established businesses as well. So it's going to be for both. And if you're new, you're new to all of this, then it's also going to be like highly user friendly, and it's going to be very easy to use if it's your first time. It's not going to get you lost or anything. It's very easy to use. And then we can also feel free to go to the pricing and see the different pricing plans that they have to offer. So QuickBooks does offer 4 different plans here. They have the Simple Start, Essentials, Plus, and Advanced. And again, most likely than not, you're also going to end up finding yourself with a little bit of a discount. For the time being, it's $5.70 per month when it's actually $19 a month for the Simple Start, $28 for Essentials, $40 for Plus, and $76 a month for the advanced one. So you can also go to the pay annually and change get less for that if you want to, but for the monthly you can see the different pricing plans for yourself. And again, you can feel free to always just get to this point and compare what you will be getting for each different plan, and pick the one that is going to suit you best. Much like Zero, you're also going to be having a free trial to test things out for yourself, and you're going to be able to really get a feel for QuickBooks before committing to any of the following plans. So again, this is highly recommended if you want to start things out. Get a free trial, test it out for yourself, see if it's going to suit you or not, and then decide whether you want to continue with QuickBooks or maybe try out another one. So next up we have FreshBooks, and when it comes to the futures, I'm not going to make this video way too long, but trust me when I say FreshBooks is also going to be on par with the previous two. The only thing, like I said, is going to be the different pricing plans, and also that you can test things out with a free trial. So let's just go ahead and jump into the pricing. When it comes to the futures, it's going to be exactly the same as the previous two. And we can just go to pricing right away and see the different pricing plans. When it comes to the light, which also you may find it to be on sale, which is 19 by default, much like the QuickBooks. And it also goes to, talking to a specialist, which is going to, set up a, proper pricing point for you and your specific needs. But, usually it's going to be more than enough to go for a light, plus, or premium plans that they have to offer. Premium being $60 a month, by default. And again, it also provides a free plan to try things out for yourself before jumping into a subscription. And you can feel free to check out the different futures that are going to be offered for the different plans that they have. Lastly, we have Zoho.com, which is also going to be a very powerful accounting tool that you can use with Shopify, much like the previous ones. And again, when it comes to the futures, it's a very powerful platform, much like the previous ones as well. And again, we are going to say that you want to go to the pricing plan and compare the pricing compared to the other ones. And I'm just going to switch to the US so you can understand this better. And then you can also feel free to start your free trial and again test out whether Zoho is the one for you or not. When it comes to the plans, you are going to also have, or not also, you're going to have a free plan, which is going to give you quite a lot for a free plan. And then you can obviously upgrade for standard, which is going to be $20 a month, up to the premium one, which is going to be $70 a month. And you can obviously see the different options that they have here. So with this being said, I just had this table here so you can pause the video and take your time to compare all of them and see which one is going to suit you best. But in order to actually test or see which one is going to be better for you, what I highly recommend, because all of them have, free trials available so you can actually test things out, I highly recommend that you go with any of them, test out a free trial, see which one is going to be more fitting for you, and then just go ahead and go for it, because all 4 of them are actually going to be great options for you to integrate with your Shopify and work with them with your accounting. So Basically, this is what I have for you for this video. So hopefully you found it to be informative, and thanks for watching.